Holy shit. There's stuff flying through the air and everything. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is insane. Holy shit. Carrie, there's a fucking tornado. I can see it. I'm filming it right now. There is a fucking tornado. I'm not even kidding you right now. There's shit flying through the air. It's like over Winnick. I'm not kidding you. Yeah, like that way, but the clouds are moving so fast. The sky is so dark. I'm not even kidding you. There's stuff flying all over the place. I don't know. It's wicked windy and kind of scary. Oh my god. I kind of want to like stay and watch though. This is insane, Carrie. I'm kind of scared. This is so crazy. Oh my god, I see it! Carrie, I see it! There's a tornado! It's right there! I'm not kidding you, Kim. There's shit flying through the air and everything. I'm not kidding you. I'm gonna like pee myself. There's stuff flying and everything. This is so nuts. I can't tell what it is.
A cloud.
I am not kidding you, Kim. I've watched it move all the way this way, and it's spinning. I am telling you. Do you see like the pieces of whatever it is that's shiny flying through the air?
Look, a tornado. No.
I am not kidding you. They had a spotting over Westover. I just got a call.
I don't see any. You don't get tornadoes over here.
We live in a valley. They'll never reach us.
Yeah, I think it's gone. But this is nuts.
He was laying over here, tornado over here.
Ugh. I think it's gone. It's like heading out towards Graham's, but
I don't see any.
I wonder if you can see it better at the end of the street.
ugh, let's go. I gotta go. I'm with Kim and AJ and Kayla. We're going to chase it. All right, bye. I am not kidding you. I know. Yikes! It went that way. Whew. I have it all on my phone. This is nuts. I think it's gone.
Done with us.
Oh, I know, right?
The Earth wants us to leave.
Yeah.
All this stuff happening all over the world.
Smile.
Happening in Massachusetts. It's a lot happening in Massachusetts.
Happening all over the world. The Earth is saying, get out.